Finding suitable elephants for research is only the first step for Lili. To successfully enter the world of elephants, Lili will face many other challenges. Vision is hugely important when considering how humans perceive the world. Lili's first investigation was to explore whether elephants, like humans, perceive the world primarily through sight.
大象它的记忆能力是很强的，比如说我在这个地方吃到一些食物之后，它每次可能都会去探索这个地方。
This means that the elephant finds the banana not because it actually sees it, but because it remembers having eaten it in the same place before.
象夫们对这个问题他们也很好奇，他们觉得大象应该可以看到，但是后来我们发现，无论我的食物放在哪里，其实大象好像它并不知道的。
The experiment was interrupted by an intrusive wild elephant.
This one elephant named Chika.
这个
Yeah.
Jika always come here.
Always, sometimes.
The wild elephant, Jetka, and one of the semi-captive elephants, Jingma Shui, are a couple. This baby elephant is their offspring.
象夫他们做到了一件很了不起的事情，就是从大象的角度出发去理解它。因为他们知道杰卡是来找对象的，所以就没有机械的去驱赶它。正是因为这样，我们才有了后来的小象。
The keeper's actions inspired Lili. She wanted to understand how an elephant perceives the world, not from a human standpoint, but from its own perspective.
Vision Experiment Session 1.
2个食盘上面都是有味道的，我们用香蕉的那个果肉给抹上了一层。
The pulp is shapeless, but the smell is stronger. The elephant's choice proves that it senses the world more by smell than by sight.
Cooperation Experiment Section 37.
Only by exploring the way elephants perceive the world can Lili truly understand their behaviour. They fight for position, but also cooperate with their rivals to obtain food.
大象它是一个社会性动物，
会根据它们不同的等级地位啊、亲密程度啊，都会有不同的缓解竞争的行为。所以再去看人象冲突的时候，是不是我们也可以根据不同的大象、不同的类群，要采取不一样的那个缓解的措施？
The COVID-19 outbreak prevented Lili from continuing her experiment in Myanmar.
这是营地里小朋友救助的一只鸟，然后他送来给我养。这个就是我们营地里的大象了，这是一头小母象。
Chiang became more irritable. Although the elephant keepers had been trying to help him integrate into a new herd, it was unsuccessful.
我是在缅甸做了好几个测试，大象其实它视力不是特别的好，它主要是靠听觉、嗅觉。
Lili's discovery has inspired the others. They plan to rub the mother's dung onto the baby elephant, hoping the familiar smell will help to form a bond between parent and offspring.
好，好，马上刷好。露露。来，
小珍已经开始玩起来了。
The successful integration of orphan Chung into his new herd has greatly reduced his chances of future conflict with humans.
这是一个很大的蓝图，我做的这个行为实验只是冰山一角，这条路肯定是还是很漫长的。
我希望我们以后再讲起人跟大象之间的关系之后，我们不要再用人象冲突这样的词，我们可以讲人象共存这样的词。我觉得这已经是一个很美好的画面了。
Elephants need big home ranges. They need to move over big areas. That means that they will always come, close to people. People will have to learn to live with elephants.